Do you want to make your own face coverings, but haven't got the time, or like me, you can't sew? This product changes all that. You can have fun making your own, unique masks. This is how. Block-It is a great new product to help you make your own face coverings. It's simply a couple of clips with ear loops that attach to whatever material you have that is suitable and breathable. So all you need is a piece of fabric. You don't need to be able to sew, and you definitely don't need a sewing machine. The way to use Block-It is simple. Start by finding the right fabric for you. It could be an old t-shirt, a pillowcase, or anything close weave. You must be able to breathe through it easily. Remember, this is not to protect you, this is to protect everyone from you. You may not have the virus, but the key thing is you may not know if you have, you may never know. But if everyone wears a mask, and if everyone thinks about protecting their friends and their co-workers, we will slow down the spread and hopefully save lives. Once you've got your piece of fabric, cut out a rectangle. The size will vary depending on how stretchy it is, and the distance around your head from ear to ear. A good starting point, for the average person, is 250 by 150 millimeters. If the material is stretchy in one direction, make this direction the longer length. Make sure you thoroughly wash all materials. The first thing to do is to fold the fabric. I find the best way is to gather the fabric at one end, fold the short side, so that each end is folded back on itself. Those folds should meet equally in the middle. There will be 4 folds in total, with the 2 folds on either side, roughly 22 to 23 millimeters apart. At this point I use a paper clip to keep the fabric folded. It's not essential, but it makes it easier. Do the same thing at both ends. Now get the Block-It clips. Make sure you have a clean surface to work on. Take one set, which is the 2 halves of the clip, and one ear loop. Lay the back piece on the work surface, and push the ear loops into the holes on each side. The ear pieces have 5 pips on each leg to allow for different size heads. Start with the middle pips. The smaller the loop, the closer the mask gets to your ears, and so more of your face is covered. Bigger ears may need more space, and children can use smaller loops. Now lay the fabric into the clip. You will want about 12 to 15 mm of overlap. Next attach the clamp lever. Hook in one end first. Then bring the other end down onto the fabric, and snap it into place. Do the same at the other end. That's it. Remove the paper clips if you use them, and it's ready to use. This system allows you to carry spare bits of fabric, and change them when you need to. You can choose fabric patterns or colors to match what you are wearing, or to match the occasion. Like your favorite team's colors, when you're watching the game. Get your clips now. Go to our website, kakoi.uk. Thank you for watching.